Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your Facebook account name. Alright guys, first of all, open your Facebook application on your phone, and after you have your Facebook application opened, you can tap on this three lines button, and you're going to tap on the setting icon, and there will be several options for you, and we're going to tap on the account center, this one. And after the account center has been opened, you can tap on your profile, and you can tap on your profile again, and here you can change your Facebook name. You can just tap on the name, and for example, I'm going to change my middle name. I'm going to change like this. Okay, and after we're done, we just need to tap on review change, and here you can choose how your name will appear on your profiles, and I'm just going to select this one, and after that we can click on the save changes. And alright guys, that's how we can change Facebook account's name. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.